Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revelation. So today we are going to make no dal and no sambar powder sambar. Isn't it interesting? So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to the video. So here I've taken a cast iron skillet. Into this I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of coriander seed, 1/4 teaspoon methi seeds, that is fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, and 2 to 3 dried red chilies. Then 1 sprig of curry leaves, 2 tablespoons of fried grams. Now roast this mixture for 2 minutes or till the raw smell of the spices go away. Please note that we're not using any oil for roasting this. It is just dry roasting. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Click on the all option so that you get updates as and when I post. Next we're going to add 1 onion chopped into small pieces, 1 tomato chopped. Now saute this till the tomatoes and the onions turn soft. Now after about 2 minutes of covered cooking, you can see that the mixture has turned soft. Switch off the flame, allow it to cool down, and then we'll grind this into a fine paste. For that, take a mixer grinder jar. Once this mixture cools, add this into the jar. First grind it coarsely, then add some water and grind it into a fine paste. So now you can see that our mixture has ground into a smooth fine paste. So we'll start with the cooking process. Heat a thick bottom vessel. Into this add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Here I've used cold pressed groundnut oil. To this add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 dried red chilli. Allow them to splutter and then add 1/4 cup of shallots. Instead of shallots you can also use onions, but shallots have medicinal properties as well, hence I'm using them. Add 1 fresh sprig of curry leaf. Now saute till the shallots turn golden. Now to this I'll be adding 1 chopped tomato. Saute this till the tomatoes turn soft and mushy. Cover it and cook for about 2 minutes. Now after opening the lid, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon Asafoetida powder or Hing powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Saute this till the raw smell of the spices go away. Then add the freshly ground masala paste. Rinse the jar with 2 glasses of water and add that as well. Now this is optional, but this will increase the health quotient of the sambar. So I've added 1 drumstick cleaned and chopped. Now cover and cook for 5 minutes so that the drumsticks turn tender. Now to this I'll be adding 1/4 cup of tamarind juice. For this I had taken lemon sized tamarind. You can increase or decrease the quantity of tamarind juice as per your liking. Now to balance all the flavors, I'll be adding 1 small piece of jaggery, that is approximately 1 teaspoon of jaggery powder. Mix this really well, allow it to simmer for about 1 minute and check the flavors, and finally garnish it with a big bunch of coriander leaves. Coriander leaves will also add nice flavor to the sambar. So our delicious Udupi style, or you can say restaurant style sambar is ready. It has no lentils or no sambar powder in it. It is extremely easy, at the same time healthy. I hope you liked this video. Please do try out and share your feedback in the comment section below. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelation.